Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn how to create an outline circle using CSS. By the end of the video, you will have this sort of output. You can see I got an outline circle here. So let's get started. I'm using VS Code as my code editor. Let's create an index file here. Index.html. Let's have a basic HTML structure. Add a link to the style sheet. It will be style.css. Here we need a div element. Give it a class circle. Save it. Now create a style sheet here. Style.css. Select body element. Background color will be dark slate gray. Select circle class. Margin will be 100 pixel in auto. Give it a height to 50 pixels. Width will be same, 250. Border will be 20 pixel solid light coral. Border radius will be 50%. So that's all what you need to create an outline circle using CSS. Now open this file in the browser to see the output. And this is the output. So I hope you understood how to achieve this. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.